Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Pro, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer right here, and here you can use all secret codes that you know. So let's start by using the testing menu, the Android testing menu. So let's use *##**#* 4636 #*#**. As you can see, testing menu just pops up. Here you can choose phone information, when you can read all the important stuff about your device, such as the signal strength, location, roaming, GSM service, the current network, and other stuff as well. You can also choose more and view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers, or for example get PDP list. So let's go back, and now that you can choose also the battery info, when you can read all important information about your battery. You may also choose the usage statistics, and here you've got such stuff as last time used and usage time of all application of your device. You can also choose LAN information, and you can choose Wi-Fi API, when you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configured networks info, or get connection info. You may also choose LAN config, and here you can read all the important stuff about configured networks. You may also select the LAN status, when you can refresh the statistics about your Wi-Fi, or you can also run a ping test. Let's go back a couple of times. Let me quit the Android testing menu, and this time let me open the hardware test mode. So let's use *##**#* 64663 #*#**. As you can see, the hardware test mode just pops up. Here you can check the software version. You can choose OK or error. You may also test the colors of the screens right here. You have to choose OK or error. Here you've got the touch panel, self-test, and other stuff. Let me go back. As you can see, here you've got the results. You can also test such things as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, light sensor, proximity, touch panel, LED, fingerprint, accelerator, and other stuff as well. Let's quit this testing menu. You may also open the calendar info. So let's use *#*225 #*#*. As you can see, calendar info just pops up. You can read the following information from the following menu. Let's go back, and this time let me open the Google Play Services mode. So let's use *#*426 #*#*, and sometimes Google Play Services just pops up right here. And you may also use the debug UI, so you can use *#*759 #*#, and in some of the Xiaomi devices you can use the debug UI menu. At the end, let me show you how to check the email number by using a secret code. So let's use *#06#, and as you can see, the email number and the other info just pops up right here. Let me tap OK to close this menu, and you can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.